What exactly is behind the Bitcoin and Ether surge to start 2023?
That's a great question. I mean, selling pressure has been extremely strong ever since the FTX collapse. The FTX collapse has cast a very long shadow over the industry and specifically crypto prices. But now we're seeing Bitcoin outperform the S&P 500 many, many times. And so I really want to emphasize that the exact cause of this rally remain unclear beyond general seller exhaustion and overall positive inflation data. I think crypto has been very closely linked to what's going on at the macro level. And so traders are searching for any sign right now of a bullish reversal, and we got that last week in the inflation data.
So the inflation data is one thing, Clara, but as you can see there, I mean, the inflation data is also driving other risk-related assets as well. For cryptocurrencies, you mentioned seller exhaustion. It was months that crypto was floating between 15,000 and 17,000. We'll just say 16,000 roughly. It couldn't get out of that range. What exactly then triggered this? Why exactly was there any kind of a fundamental reason why buyers are out there again and sellers are, in your words, exhausted?
Yeah, I mean, over the past year, what we saw when looking at the data is on the day of the Fed inflation data releases, we saw sharp upticks in crypto volatility. And I really think that at the macro level, that has been the strongest driver of crypto prices over the past year. And we saw that last week because, frankly, when we're looking at industry news, it has not been positive throughout the start of 2023. There are many, many ongoing bankruptcies, which could in the future put downward pressure on crypto prices. So for now, we have to attribute the latest rally to what's happening at the macro level.
Okay, so the macro level is one thing, Clara. I mean, there's also this perhaps school of thought or this theory, right, that many of those people who were long cryptocurrencies sold them last year, took some of the losses for the calendar tax year of last year, and have now kind of reset, if you will, some of their return objectives. Is that something that you might think could play out, or is that just something that crypto bulls are trying to latch onto to explain any kind of crypto bullishness out there?
Yeah, that's certainly a possibility. I think one other thing I forgot to mention is what's going on in derivatives markets. So a lot of traders were positioned towards the short side. So when there was actually a quick rally last week, that could have actually liquidated a lot of these short positions, which in turn would push up prices a bit further. So I think what may be happening is a bit of a combination between what's happening on these volatile derivatives markets, where there tends to be a lot more leverage, and when there's a small uptick in activity on spot markets that can actually have a cascading effect. So I think what you said is certainly one possibility, but we also have to look directly at what's happening in these derivatives markets.